Thank you. That's a very good question, and I'm glad the press is here in full force for this important occasion of the IFP's conference. Packaging is the world's largest industry. It touches every other industry. Pharmaceutical packaging is the highest point, the highest value added in the world packaging forums, and also the most critically important with regard to its attributes of protecting, communicating, informing. The medicine cures, but the package communicates the safety. Now the question was, is India facing some problems with the packaging of its exports? The answer is yes, sir. See, companies in India tend to try to make only one quality of product. Otherwise it gets very complicated with 300 types of various generics, and half of them being exported, half not exported. So very often the same packaging is used for export as is used for India. There's nothing wrong with it, but it doesn't comply with the requirements of some of the countries like Japan, and in fact even Vietnam. The Joint Secretary was telling us today during the conference, has rejected the products of 40 Indian pharma companies, not due to the quality of the product, but due to the packaging. Sir.
So you mean to say you need to have separate packaging for exports?
You need to have required standards and specification for the packaging material that is used for the packaging of pharma products, because as Dr. Ajit Singh said, pharma packaging is one of the highest point because of the sensitivities involved, healthcare, human life, safety. These are very important requirements, and therefore the packaging standard has to meet the best standards which are required to deliver that drug which it carries.
What are we doing to achieve that?
Indian Institute of Packaging will work with the industry. See, what is happening today, that for all the regulated markets, the packaging requirement of the standards is being met, because the regulator on that side will ensure that you are meeting the requirement given by him. Only then the import of that product is allowed. But for countries where the regulations are not complete or not very developed, for the semi-regulated markets or unregulated markets in many continents, India has a bigger responsibility of ensuring that the packaging standards are same, so that the drug which is delivered in those countries reaches in safe condition.